The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, previously known as the Education of the Handicapped Act, ensured disabled children receive a free and appropriate public education, or FAPE. To achieve this goal, school staff create an Individualized Education Program, or IEP, with the involvement of the child's parents. After school officials disregarded portions of the act, the court gave the officials failing grades in Honig v. Doe. John Doe had an IEP which included the goal of improving Doe's ability to cope without acting with aggression. Doe choked another student. The school decided to expel him. Doe was suspended while waiting for the conclusion of the expulsion proceedings. Doe sued local and state school officials, claiming officials violated the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. The court issued temporary orders directing officials to cancel the expulsion proceedings, return Doe to his school, and complete an IEP review. Jack Smith also had an IEP. He engaged in disruptive behavior like making sexual comments. Because of such comments, Smith's school suspended him and planned to expel him. Smith joined Doe's lawsuit against the officials as another plaintiff. The district judge issued permanent injunctions against expelling or permanently suspending Doe and Smith, and issued other orders to ensure officials complied with the act. The Ninth Circuit affirmed, but made small modifications. The court agreed that an indefinite suspension as expulsion proceedings were pending was a change in placement that the act prohibited. The officials needed to follow the act's stay-put provision that barred placement changes unless proper procedures were followed. The stay-put provision didn't have a dangerousness exception, so officials couldn't avoid the stay-put provision if students engaged in dangerous behavior because of their disabilities. But officials could suspend a student for up to 30 days without violating the act. California Superintendent of Public Instruction Bill Honig petitioned for cert, asking the court to recognize a dangerousness exception to the stay-put provision. The Supreme Court granted cert.